Hi, as you can notice, I'm here in my own office. Despite the fact that I should stay at home. Yeah, but don't worry, I'm only person in this room or in my office. Okay, beside me is Betty. Betty is my dog because we went for a walk and to grab my PC from my office because for a while I will working from my home. And I'm not complaining about it. I will stay home. I will work from home. At least I will try to do some things. Yeah, I will not just laying in my bed and hoping for better times. But I don't understand the situation which is happening right now in our market. I noticed that construction work near where I live are still in progress. I noticed that the manufacturing companies they are still running. And their argument about this is that they have contracts with clients and that they need to catch some deadlines. But I believe right now we should catch one really important deadline that we don't spread virus between us. This is our priority. This is our main deadline, if you ask me. Despite the fact I'm at the beginning stage of establishing new engineering company that I'm depending on the manufacturing companies, I believe they should all close their production lines for at least 2 weeks. Also, construction works, they can wait because new tourists, they will not come soon in Ljubljana. You know what I mean? So they don't need to catch any deadlines because of demand on the market. I believe the demands on the market are right now in the different position. And you know what? All money and business opportunities will wait. Even in my case, I need to pay bills. I need to pay rent for this office. I need to pay food when I go to market that we can eat at home, you know? But I believe that right now we need to stay safe, we need to stay home, and we need to stay strong. And we need to see positive future because otherwise nobody will have enough of business opportunities or money to survive. So stay safe, stay home, and stay strong. See you tomorrow. Bye.